loves, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a little bit different. I am going to do a wig review, but I'm also doing a collab with my sissy Royal Beauty, and so I'm going to link all her information in the description box, as well as post something right here just to kind of introduce you guys to her. If you guys don't know who she is, make sure you check her out. Like, when I tell you, it is, I think, very rare that you meet people, especially on social media, and they're really genuine people. And we both are influencers that work with Zury Hollywood, and so that's kind of how we were, you know, affiliated or associated with each other. And then the more that, like, she was checking my stuff out, I was checking her stuff out, and then we kind of just started talking, we realized like we had so much in common. So it's funny because I'm RhythmNBeauty, she's Royal Beauty, and then on top of that, like, we have like similarities. Like, some of our family thinks that we look like each other, or we just kind of just thought the same. And so that's why, like, you know, some people you be like, hey sis, and you know, you just mean it kind of is like an endearing term, but they're not really your sis, or you don't really know them. But no, when I say my sis, my sissy, like, I truly mean it. I actually just went to Virginia to go see my best friend, my best sister friend, and I was trying to link up with her, and we were trying to link up together, and it was just schedules, and I had to push my flight back, and she just had a lot of you know, fancy smanchy stuff that she's doing, as well as she's married, she has kids, I'm married, I have kids, and so, you know, our schedules just didn't, you know, mesh that time. But we're definitely going to figure it out. I think they're supposed to come to Cali eventually, so hopefully we'll link up then. So yeah, I truly love this girl. You guys make sure to go to her page, make sure you tell her I sent you guys. And yeah, so the collaboration that we're doing, we really wanted to do something really fun, like when we met up in Virginia, but it just didn't happen. So now we kind of have to do it separately. But we did get the same wig from Zury Hollywood, so we got this this wig right here. So what you guys are about to see is, this thing is 40 inches, y'all. 40 inches. I don't know why, as it got close to the summer, they just started sending us these long wigs. But let's see. This wig is from their Sis Sister wig line. It's from their Beyond Your Imagination collection. It is in the style BYD Lace H BEYON. So I don't know if that's short for Beyonce or what, but it definitely just says BEYON. And it's in the color, as you guys can see, blonde. Now, y'all know, if y'all seen my previous videos where I'm rocking the blonde wigs, you know I'm just never here for the blonde when it doesn't have dark roots. Like, I just don't get super excited. But thankfully my sis got it. She's probably gonna do a better job of making it look amazing. But let's see what I can do. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So yeah, as I thought, it doesn't have dark roots. Definitely sad about that, but we will see. Hopefully we can make it happen. Wow, look at this. Oh my goodness. This look like My Little Pony. My Little Pony. The way that it just kind of unraveled, like, that's just the feels that it gave me. Okay, so I'm going to do it up close and personal. So it does come with baby hairs, and it does come with lace, so I have to cut the lace off. But I'm appreciative of the fact that it does come with baby hair. So let's see. So as you guys can see, that I love the baby hairs. They look very nice and natural. Yeah, so I know that I'm probably not going to be able to get all 40 inches, but I'm going to do my best to try to. I'm just going to take out the packaging stuff right now. So the cap construction is, there are 2 clips in the front, as you guys can see. So it's 2 clips in the front, 1 clip in the back. It does come with adjustable straps right here, and then it has this lace for the parting right here in the middle. So that's the cap construction. I'm gonna try to show you guys the wig from the top all the way down to the bottom. So let's see. Okay, y'all, so you clearly see I can't even make it all the way because it's still so much more hair to go. Whew. You know, This is them times where they be testing us, y'all. They just be testing us. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off, as well as cut the little stock part off, and do whatever little customizations I can try to do to the wig, and then I'm gonna come back hopefully with the finished look. So 1 second. Okay, love, so I'm back, and as you guys can see, I tried the best that I could. Y'all know I don't be really messing with these blonde wigs that don't have dark roots. So I just kind of laid the baby hairs that they gave me. An issue that I kind of run into is because my baby hairs come out kind of so far, sometimes it's really hard to kind of get it to blend when it comes to like other colors, i.e. this blonde wig. But I did the best I could. I'm gonna do it up close so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, love, so as you guys can see, those are the baby hairs that came with the unit. I did the best that I could. They are probably not perfect, and that's fine with me. I didn't do much to the, I didn't do really anything at all to the parting space. I did try to pluck a few hairs, and when I say few, I mean literally like a few. And then I thought about it and was like, yeah, no, I'm not about to just sit here and pluck all these hairs. So if I feel like it, I might go back in and pluck more hairs and then just take pictures later on. So make sure you guys are following me on social media so you guys can see the updated pictures. But yeah, I think that as of right now, it looks pretty cool. Like, it doesn't look bad. It's definitely not the worst. Like, I've had one that I think you guys have seen. I call myself Elsa off of Frozen. This time I feel like I'm looking like I don't know, Oprah and Wrinkle in Time or something, which I'm not sure. That's not necessarily, like, she looked good, but I don't know if that's my daughter laughing. My daughter's laughing in the background. But yeah, I'm not sure if that's actually, you know, that's not sexy, but hopefully I'm giving it the sexy flavor. Hopefully the makeup look is working. I actually filmed another video, which you guys will probably see this same outfit as well as this same makeup look, because the other unit that's also Zury Hollywood goes with this eye look right here. So yeah, this is the unit. I'll try to show you guys 40 inches. Right now, the 40 inches is literally past my hip. It's definitely past my hip. So yeah, it's probably not going to get on camera, but as usual, I'm going to show you guys full pictures or pictures on Instagram. I'm gonna have my daughter take some so you guys can see just how long it is. But let's try to see. Let's see. Yeah, it's not gonna show you guys. Like, look how much more hair I still have. But this is the unit. Let me show you guys the back. So this is the back of the hair. It is definitely past my buttocks. So yeah, it's definitely long. So yeah, for those of you guys that don't know, I am 5'10", so it's already past my buttocks. So if you are any shorter, it's probably gonna be down to your knees, probably down to your feet if you're shorter than me. So hopefully you guys like it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you go to my sissy's channel and check her out and see what she did. I'm sure she came up with a killer, like, she be on point, and so I looked to her for inspiration, so I'm sure she did it up. Me, I was just like, I, on the other hand, just kind of went for the real sultry look. I was gonna put in a ponytail, but I can show you guys what it looks like in a ponytail. So this is if I decide to wear it in a ponytail. I don't feel like it looks too bad, like compared to the other wigs that Zury have sent me that were all blonde. I just was not liking it straight off the back, but I feel like it looks a little natural, just a little bit. But yeah, so this is if I decided to wear it in a ponytail. This is the look that I will be giving. That's the back of it, I mean on the side of it. And if I decided to wear it towards the front, woo, y'all. I'm telling y'all, this is like a whole horse, like My Little Pony. But yeah, so that's the look. So hopefully you guys like it. Make sure to let me know once you guys go check out my sis Royal Beauty's page. After you guys check out her channel, make sure to come back over here and let me know what's one of your favorite videos of hers. And just let me know if you like her vibe and just how spunky and hilarious she is. And I love the fact that her beautiful daughter is just as spunky and hilarious as she is. And so yeah, you guys, I hope that you guys like my video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Where the sun is glowing, shaded underneath a palm tree. Shades on, but I could still see. Ooh.